there anyone in this world who doesn't love garlic breads? I don't think so. I'm a big fan of garlic breads, and today we're gonna make a super yummy cheesy one, and I hope you enjoy it. Here I am, Yasmin from Cook Quick. Subscribe my channel if you like more videos like that. So here is all we need. 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, chopped parsley, salt as per your taste, 250 grams of butter, a whole bread, cheese. You can actually use any kind of cheese you like, garlic powder, and finally black pepper. So here is the main tip in frying your garlic breads. First, warm the pan, add a little bit of water, and wait for 2 or 3 minutes until the water gets warm and starts steaming. Then place your garlic breads butter side down. Cover the other side with cheese and cover to get melty. I deserve a big bite because I was waiting the most. Oh, look at this. Smells amazing.